Hey guys, today's tutorial video, we're going to be running you through mains power, how to get it plugged in, how to test it, have you got it, haven't you got it, what's wrong, how do I find out, all of that sort of stuff. So, mains power lead, like so. It is a 15 amp in identifiable because it is a big long boy on there, as opposed to our 10 amp, very clearly, distinctly different. One is 15 amps on the Caravan, nice and easy. Don't make an adapter, head to Bunnings, get an amphibian kit. It goes from 10 to 15 with circuit breakers and stuff like that. Head to your local Caravan accessory store, just do it legal, don't cut it off, don't grind pins, do it properly. So, bingo bango, ripper, ready to go. I'll give you a quick demonstration on this before we crack in. We have power in. Oh, sorry, power in, too quick for you. We also have circuit breakers. Sometimes there might be one, there might be two. It'll be labeled, one will say inverter, one will say mains, but the purpose of this, we just have mains. You press this little test button up the top, test, 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 test. It's not doing anything. It's telling you there is no power between here to the top of there, feeding the rest of the van. Mains power, bingo bango, and we're in. We heard beeps inside, we're done, we're on. You can close this, keep it nice and secure. Cool, cool. You have this here. So, you press the test button, bang, we have 240, reset it. We know our 240 is working. So what will happen if that didn't work? You've plugged it in, you thought you've plugged it in, it's all working, and unfortunately, you haven't done it all the way. It doesn't work. What happens if the Caravan park loses power and you lose power? And you're going, oh my God, something's wrong with the Caravan. There's a fuse, there's no fuse, there's 240 volts, like a house. It's always a test button. So I tell people all the time, if you're going to call us and you're going to troubleshoot sort of stuff, first thing I want you to do is I want you to get the lead, make sure it's in, beautiful, walk in, done. If this trips, you know that there is power between the Caravan park and the RCD, and that means it's feeding the rest of the Caravan. So if that trips, you know that the problem is within the van. Chances are, and honestly in this day and age, it is not that way built with composite vans, or that the problem's actually with the circuit breaker and power is not flowing from this section here. Cables will come out, something like that. You'd give your dealer a call, you'd make us aware of it, and we'd sort you out. That, my friends, is a nice, easy tutorial on how to plug your van in, get power and get live. We'll see you soon and hope you check it out. Bye.